Hey guys, welcome. In this episode, we are going to see how to place stop loss and take profit in any trading strategy. So I just currently opened the Binance Futures trading window. Currently I'm trading in Doge USDT pair, and this is a candlestick chart. To place the stop loss and take profit in the order, we need to firstly visualize the order of the stop loss and take profit. To do that, just go to here, the drawing tools. Here is the option for long position and a short position. To open this, I just click on long position and click on a chart. So this representation will get open. So this is just for the visual representation. By this, the order will not get executed. To execute the order, you need to place the order from this section. This is just to visualize. So this is for long position. I can adjust these nodes up and down, and this is this is for stop loss and this is for take profit. So if I want to place a limit order at this point and this price, so what is this price? That is 0.1743. so I will just paste 0.17430. okay. Then for the stop loss, I want to keep stop loss at 3%. So I will just drag this to 3%, almost to the 3%, and I want to take profit at almost 9%. Okay, so I want to keep the risk to reward ratio to 3. That means for 3% loss, I want to take profit at 9%. So for this is a stop loss visualization in the candlestick chart. This is all about to take long position. To visualize the short position, just go to here in the drawing tools, click on short position. So if I want to take short position at this point, then stop loss will be on the upper side. That is, I want to keep the stop loss on 3% and to take profit at the 9%. Similarly, right? So my risk to reward ratio will be 3, almost 3, right? So this is just for the visualization to get the prices. So if I want to take the long position for the limit price, I will just click on this limit price. Okay, for this price I just put the price, that is 0.17430. that is 0.17430. I am trading isolated margin trading. That is, I kept 5x of leverage. Confirm. Okay, now next thing is to place a stop loss. Here is a check bar, just click on it. Before that, just confirm how many Doge you want to trade. I want to trade 40 Doge at the price of 1.39 USDT. Currently I'm having 5.59 USDT of balance in my wallet, so I can trade that much balance. So I will place now the stop loss and take profit orders. So stop loss order will be for long position. The stop loss will be, for long position, the stop loss will be 0.16930 903 0.16903, and the take profit will be 0.19017. okay, all right, 0.19017. So after putting all these values for this price range, I'm going to place the limit order. So I will take this long position, just click on it to take the long position. Okay, the limit order will be get placed. Okay, so the order will be seen in the open order section. Just go to open order. So this order is now get placed, that is for Doge. Open long position at this price 40 Doge. Order is not executed yet, so it is showing 0. And to see the stop loss and take profit, just click on view, it is TPSL view. Your whole order will be get visible over here. That means the A order will be my base order, B order is for the take profit, and C order for stop loss. All the orders will be get executed on the market price, so that's why it is written market over here. So click on confirm. So when the price of this Doge went down at this price, so this order will get executed. So previously I already put an order for the short position in TRX USDT. I just want to show that to you. So at this price range I just placed a short order. You can see the position, the TRX USDT. Red indicates the short order. That means I sold a 95 TRX at this price and placed the stop loss at this price. You can see the open orders for the stop loss and take profit. The stop loss order is at the price of 0.8899. that means you can see the 0.8899, 0.08899. The take profit will be at 0.07198. that means 0.07198. when the price reached over here, the take profit will get executed, or else if the price touches this point, then the stop loss will get hit. This is like an OCO order, that is one cancels the other. So if the price touches to this point, then this order will get cancelled and this order will get executed. That means stop loss will get executed and the take profit will be get cancelled. And if the price went down, then if this price get hit, that means the take profit will get hit, and this order will get executed and the stop loss will be get cancelled. So this is the advantage of the single order placing. Simultaneously you can place the 3 orders, like means this order as well, the stop loss as well, and the take profit as well. This is the whole scenario of the short position. You can place both the orders, that is the limit order and the market order. I just shown the example of how to place the limit order for the long position and the short position as well. So in this way you can place the order. So what are the main advantages of placing a stop loss? So first main advantage is it minimizes the risk factor, right? Second main advantage is you can easily visualize, means you can easily calculate the risk to reward ratio just by seeing the orders. You can see over here risk to reward ratio, it is 3 point. As I earlier said that I don't go beyond 3% because I don't bear that much losses greater than 3%. So if you are ready to take the losses, go for it. I just recommend you to please ensure each and every time to place the stop loss while trading, right? So this is all about how to place the stop loss and take profit in trading window. I am currently trading in Binance futures, but same criteria get applicable in the stock trading as well and forex trading as well, right? Because stop loss concept is applicable in all kind of trading formats. So that's it from this video. If you find any helpful information from this video, then hit the like button, or else if you don't want to hit the like button, that is up to you, right? Then okay, that's it from this video. Till then, keep learning and do the safe trading. If you have any questions about this video, then you can freely ask me in the comment section. Right? So that's it from this video. Till then, keep learning and do the safe trading. Thank you.